Now you can fix this error right here where it says Word could not start last time. Safe mode could help you troubleshoot the problem, but some features might not be available in this mode. Now let's go and fix this problem now. First, what you'll have to do is open your start menu and search for run. After you do that, you'll just have to search regedit, that is regedit, and hit on OK. Now after this, select yes. And now what you'll have to do is just search, expand this H key user. This is the one right here. After you expand the H key current user, you'll have to expand software. And after you do that, you'll have to expand Microsoft right here. Now it's already expanded in mine. It should look like this in yours. So search for Microsoft and expand it. And after you expand Microsoft, you'll have to search for Office. Now scroll down till you find Office, and here you go. Here's the Office. Let me just expand this again, and here you'll have to choose your versions. Now here you will see different options. First is 11, 12, 14, 15, 16. Now mine is 16, so I'm going to expand 16. So just expand your version and expand the common option. Now after you expand common, you'll have to search for a file called OpenFind, which should look like this right here. Now after you open OpenFind, what you'll have to do is you'll have to right click on this empty space right here. Tap on the empty space, right click on it, and tap on new. Now after you do that, you will see the dword option right here. Open dword, and you'll have to name this file. Now name it enable shell data caching. You'll have to name this enable shell data caching, and after you do that, what you'll have to do is enter, and you'll have to just open this up. Now make sure that you put the value data1 and just tap on OK. So first step is done. So now what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your start menu again and search for, let's go to start menu again and search for Winw, give a space, okay, the spelling's mistake, Winw space, give a slash, and search for save. Now after you do that, hit enter, and your Windows Word file should open up. And after you do that, your problem should get fixed. So after you do that, you can just restart your computer once and your problem will get fixed. So that is all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope this video helped you solve the problem. So thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Bye bye. Take care.